Hello, everyone. This is Don Cooper. I'm the CEO of Innovator Industrial Services, and I'm your host today on this API 653 new repair methods webinar.
HJ3 started a process with API 653. We proposed the use of carbon fiber repair materials for above ground storage tanks. This process involved a letter ballot. The letter ballot was circulated amongst the SCAST, or Subcommittee on Above Ground Storage Tank, members, and everybody provided insight and input into the process for approving carbon fiber.
Some of the forged bonding solutions that we have can deal with some of the tensile strength limitations for some of those locations with carbon fiber. And what you'll see as you work with us is we'll be able to offer you hybrid solutions with tank wrap and with forged bonding in a unique way to deal with some of those challenges. So we do have other solutions that can augment each other in terms of the most optimal solutions, whether that's carbon fiber and tank wrap or forged bonding for some of those areas where there are tensile strength requirements.